So we're going to work with the hair dry. Okay, we're going to take our first section now. We're going to take it in a zigzag. So we're going to put our comb in and just create ourselves a zigzag parting. I like to do this because I find the interlocking motion of the zigzag gives me a lot more texture and a lot faster. We have our zigzag, which is helping us to get all our texture, and we're going to start with a chipping technique. You would go into a deeper motion. If you don't feel comfortable to cut against the client's face, you could lift your comb and we could start to point cut the hair away. But remember, as it falls, we're going to have to go back over and do our deep point cutting. That's one of my sides done. I often prefer to cut against the skin. I like the fact there's a low elevation. I always feel I've got slightly more control over the length than with the lower elevation. Now we're going to let section 2 come down. So what I like to do here is to lift the section and to remove some of the fringe first. And then I like to create slightly shorter pieces because the objective is I do want the fringe to be fairly wispy and not blunt. I then start to use the mirror whilst dressing the hair and moving the hair because with it being shorter, I just want to have a look as I move the hair around. Really hope you enjoyed this BB Education cutting tutorial. We really hope it's useful to you. It's going to help benefit you on your own journey and with your own clients.